Hello everybody, welcome back to Bradford, and this is the welcome back to my 15th video of my Python basics tutorials. And this video is a challenge for my 14th video. If you haven't seen my previous videos, don't worry, I'll leave the playlist link in the description. And also don't forget to subscribe because it does really help me out. So subscribe coding before we start coding this project. It also really helps me out because I need 10,000 subscribers. And also, if you don't have Python installed on your computer, don't worry, I'll leave the download link in the description so you can go download it on your computer. So let's get started by opening up the idle window. And you want to create a new Python file, and you want to save it, and we'll save this file as tutorial 4. And now we're going to now we can start writing up the login program. First thing we want to do is we want to write a dictionary of store users. For this, I'll put comments for it for you guys to easily understand. So I'll put something like step 0, make a dictionary to store our users. So we're gonna call this variable users, and this will be an empty dictionary for now since we haven't added any users yet. Let's say step 1, the function to sign up and log in. So now we want to add that functionality. Let's say def I'll call this function, let's say register account, and this won't take any parameters, and ask the user to get a username. So say username equals input, you enter your username, and now we want to make this a string, so use str and close this. So this string so a string is a word in Python, so basically it's a word in Python. Now I want to ask the user for the password, because we'll make this a string and input, enter your password. And now once the user has registered the account, we can say print account. We can just say print success, account created. And now we want to add these dashes for nothing, because we'll put it under the print statement. And now we want to add the user to the dictionary, so we can say users, let's say username, username, so make sure to put the username in these squared brackets. Now we can say equals password, and now it will also display the password. So it will display in a format like this: username, password. So it will display it in a format like this in the dictionary for code. And also we can also make a dictionary to store passwords. So the passwords equals, this will also be an empty dictionary as well. And we can say passwords, or password equals username. So why we're not using the password in the users dictionary, it's because every time when the password is wrong, the program will think the password is correct. So that's why I've created an extra dictionary to store the passwords. And now we want to create a function to log in. So we can say def login. And now we're going to say user, let's say ask username, because input, so sorry, I have to make this a string, then add input username, say ask password, say equals string password. Now we want to check if the username and the password is in the dictionaries. So I'll say if ask underscore username in users. Now we can check if the ask password is in the dictionary of passwords as well. So if we say if the password in passwords, say print success, you have logged in. And now we want to add these dashes for nothing to just put under the text, the success text. And now say if the ask underscore username is not in the users. And now if the ask password is also not in the passwords, we print the error, we couldn't, or maybe we're gonna say login failed. And now we want to add the dashes as well. Also, one thing to do, we want to print the dictionary of users, the dictionary of passwords, for the user to see the available usernames and passwords. And now we want to define the main function. So we'll say step 2, define the main function. So if we say, so let's call this def main. And now we want to say login, or maybe I'll just use a large font generator. So let's say, so I'll put this in full screen. See, and now what we want to do is we want to add the big text using the BA font generator. I'll also leave the link to that in the description box. So open up your web browser and go to a website called fsymbols.com. Sorry, I'm offline, but without that, even I'll use it. Without that, even without this, your program will also work fine. But if you want to use the big text, I'll leave the link in the description if you want to. So I just call this login program. And now we want to add the dashes, add the dash. And now we want to say if, and now we want to say print choose an option. And now we want to add the options. So let's say print one, create an account \n. So what this \n, that means the text will be on its own line. There's two login, and then let's put 3 and say exit. And now we want to put this in a while true loop for the program to be in a loop. So now let's start coding up let's continue coding up. So we're going to call this variable choice equals input, and we'll say type the option number. And now we want to see if the user input is there. So let's say if the choice is equal to the first option, this has to be the first option. Now we want to say, and now we want to use the register account, and it does not take any parameters. And now we want to say elif choice equals to 2. You want to use the login. But if elif choice is equal to 3, we want to break the loop. Now we've defined the main function, we can start the login program. So let's say I'll put the step 3, run the program. See main. Now we can run this, and then you can see the program is running. So if we say create an account, you can enter whatever username you like. I just have Federico for now. Now enter like a password called password 123, and their account has been created. So if I choose login, so you can see the dictionary showing up. So if I type in my username, enter a correct password, say success, you have logged in. But then if I try to enter a wrong password, so if I enter my username and enter password 321, and you see nothing so the program has done nothing. But you can register more users if you like. So I just add another user, say Enzo Ferrari, and the password would be ABC123. And now enter another user, say Ferruccio Lamborghini. You can use DEF456. And now if we log in and see the dictionary is updated. So if I try to log in to Enzo Ferrari and enter the password like ABC123, success, you have logged in. So if I say say Ferruccio Lamborghini, the DF456. There we go. And now if we want to break the loop, we can just type option 3, and then the loop has stopped. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing right now. I need 10,000 subscribers because subscribing to me really helps me out, and turning on post notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. Like the video if you appreciate it. Any questions, suggestions, or any feedback, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Also guys, please subscribe. I need 10,000 subscribers because I need support, because it does really help me out. Subscribe right now, click that subscribe button, or use the subscribe link in the descriptions. So the subscribe link is in the description box below. Subscribe right now, and I'll see you in the next video.